Good morning, students. I am Dinbandhu Tiwari from Central Academy, Maria. This one is my second lecture for class 12. In the first lecture, I told you the summary of the last lesson. And in this lecture, I will teach you all through paragraph wise. Let us start to read this. No? First, I read paragraph, and after then, I will tell you the meaning of the paragraph. Here, you can easily watch the video on the monitor, and with the help of my cursor, you can easily understand where I am teaching. I start here. I started for school very late that morning and was in great dread of a scolding, especially because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on participles, and I did not know the first word about them. For a moment, I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. Firstly, uh, First, we need to know what is the meaning of these lines. Here I, writer is describing himself as I, and here I is a boy. Boy that is none but French. Here boy stands up, wakes up early in the morning, and he is going to school. But while he is going to school, he is thinking about the condition of his school because yesterday his teacher, Mr. Hamel, gave them homework to learn about participles, and the boy does not know even one word about the participles, but he is going to school, and while he is going to school, he is thinking, I think he is thinking, and he is asking himself that if he does not go to school and going to school, he goes to somewhere else it will be good for him. And after then we find another meaning. Let us see. For a moment I thought I it was so warm. For a moment, I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. I mean, he is thinking about this, about that thing. It will be good for him if he does not go to school. Going to school, he wants to go to anywhere else, and going to there, he will find full of joy. And which type of joy he will find? He is saying. Let us see further. It was so warm, so bright, the birds were chirping at the edge of the woods, and in the open field back of the sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. It was all much more tempting than the rule for participants, but I had the strength to resist the rukawat and hurried up to school. Now, boy is saying to himself that, and the boy is describing what is the condition of outside where he wants to go to, but he doesn't want to go there, and he is describing the outside of the condition. He is saying that the outside is very good, the atmosphere is very good, warm, and there is no cloud in the sky. And after that he is saying, in the birds, in the forest birds are chirping, and he is also saying something about the sawmill matlab ara machine, and he is looking that there is a sawmill in the field, and there Persian soldiers are working, drilling, such type of work they are doing. And now the boy is thinking all these attractive scenes are beautiful for him, to go to the classroom, and going the classroom, learn the rules of participles. You all know the rules of the participles in English grammar. There are three types of participle: present, past, and perfect. He is saying all these things, but you all know why we are thinking something, no? About something. During that time, there will be two types of thought will come in our mind. In here in the mind of the boy, such type of thoughts are coming. One is positive thought, and second one is the negative thought. And ultimately, the boy's positive thought get victory over the negative thought. And he is saying, "But I had the strength to resist. I am preaching here. I have the power, I have the strength to resist. It means the boy has power to resist, to control over going somewhere else, and so he is going to school as soon as possible for him, and he is going to school. And after the letter six, in the second paragraph, I am teaching here. When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in the front of the bulletin board. For the last 2 years, all our bad news had come from there. The last battles, the draft, the orders of the commanding officer, and I thought to myself, without stopping, what can be the matter now? In this paragraph, the boy is going to school to attend the class. While he is going to school, he passes the town hall. This was the place there always he finds there is a great crowd at that place, and while the people gather together there, the reason this one is the place here anyone can come and to know what is the news in the society of what is the news of the society of the country, because there is a bulletin board is held is holding there at that place. And on the bulletin board, in very earlier time, there was a bulletin board. On the bulletin board, many types of information and news will be shown could be shown. So he is saying he is looking this type of thing. The boy is looking such type of thing. And after that, what happened? Let us see. And the boy is saying he had looking for last 2 years many types of news information had come to be shown on this bulletin board. And now he's recalling which type of information he earlier saw there. He is saying last battles when there was a battle between French and Persia, and French lost that battle. And after the draft, you all know, Rekha, this one is the draft. Such type of thing is shown on that bulletin board. And after then he is saying without stopping, without can be the matter now. And so he is saying such type of information will be shown on that bulletin board. What I need to go there to spend our time in this way. In the first paragraph, I taught you first of all there are two conditions. There are two thoughts in the first paragraph. First one, boy is going to school, and second one, the boy does not want to go to school, but ultimately the boy boy's positive thought gets victory over the negative thought. And while his second paragraph, we find that boy is going somewhere else, and he is crossing a place that is known as the bulletin board. And after this paragraph, I am going to on the next line. Let us see the next line. Sorry for disturbing. This one is the next line. On the monitor, you can easily see where I am teaching. Then as I hurried by as fast as I could go, the blacksmith master who was there with his apprentice reading the bulletin called after me, "Don't go so fast, Bob. You will get to your school in plenty of time." It means the writer already told you all. The boy is crossing a place that is known as the bulletin board, and at that bulletin board, People are gathering to see to watch the news, and one of them, a person blacksmith named Waster, apprentice, a person man, he is a trainer, and there are man, he is trainer, and many apprentices are also standing with him. Apprentice man, a person who wants to take training, they are known as the apprentice. One blacksmith has many other students, and all are standing there. During that time, blacksmith looks at the boy friends, and the blacksmith is looking at a friend without stopping himself. Friend is going ahead. So friend is calling him. There are going friends. You need not to go to you need not go to so fast to attend your class. There is a proper time. There is a plenty time. You can go easily way to attend your class. First, stay here for a few minutes. Then you can go. In this way, this paragraph is over. Now I come on this line. I thought he was making fun of me. I told you all whenever we find off after any preposition, the meaning or the possibility of the meaning of that of wala, wali. This meaning. I thought he was making fun of me and reached Yum Hammer's little garden all out of breath. When Blacksmith is calling me, saying something about myself during that time, the boy is writer himself thinks about himself. Joke he is joking with me and nothing more, and he boy is avoiding the statement of Mr. Blacksmith, and he directly goes to his teacher Mr. Hammer's classroom. And when he reaches there, he is out of breath. It means he is going fastly. He is going very fast, and in this way, he is taking breath too much. So the writer is saying this word. And after that, let us see next paragraph. Usually, when school began, there was a great bustle which could be heard out in the street, the opening and the closing of the desks, lessons repeated in unison, very loud with our hands over our ears to understand better. In this paragraph, we find the writer is describing about the condition of the classroom. Because writer it means himself, writer is himself as a friend. Friend is describing about the classroom because he almost he takes regularly classes, and when he goes to classroom he finds there is a great hue and cry so good. He is saying whenever he goes to classroom he finds bustle sound too much in the street, and anyone can easily listen the sound of the classroom in the street. And which type of sound anyone can easily listen in the street, opening and closing the desks, lesson repeated in unison. Unison means when many students together learn any chapter in group. This process is known as unison. It means samugan, chorus, such type of sound creates automatically. Anyone can easily listen. He is passing the near the building of any school. After then what happened? Let us see in the next line. With our hands over our ears to understand better. The writer is saying, one friend is saying, when he enters the classroom or he is attending the class, he finds too much hue and cry in the classroom. During that time, sound can't disturb him. So he puts, all the students put their hands over their ears so that sound can't disturb them, and they can easily understand what is the meaning of the chapter. And after the writer is describing what is the condition of the classroom and the teacher's great ruler wrapping on the table. But now it was also still I had counted on the commotion to get to my desk without being seen. But of course that day everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. In these lines, we find the writer is saying one thing also, that is the writer's ruler, stick you can say. Writer is when a teacher's putting his ruler over the table, and it also creates the sound. But in spite of all these things, on this day, the boy, it means friend, finds each and everything is so silent. Each and everything has been silent. Nothing. There is no sound. Is there. So he enters the classroom, and entering the classroom he starts counting the table, and counting the table to find his place. So he's counting the table and he is visually will count the table and he finds the one table this but without seeing, after counting he goes to that place and of course he he is he is surprised to see the silent, the pinpoint silence of the classroom, or and he is comparing. This one is the classroom of Sunday. As Sunday morning, the whole school campus is very silent due to absentee of all students. No one present is there, so sound is soundless up campus. So he is saying something about that thing. And after the through the window, I saw my classmates already in their places, and yeah, him Hammer walking up and down with his terrible iron ruler under his arm. I had to open the door and go in before everybody. In these lines, in this paragraph, I told you he reached the school and he is looking the condition, the atmosphere of the school. And when he is looking the condition and the atmosphere of the school, he is thinking, he is comparing with his old thought, with his previous image of the classroom. And when he reaches the building, the room of the classroom, he looks through the window inside the classroom what is happening there, and he is finding each and he sees all his classmates and their places, and he also is looking through the window. Mr. Hamel means his teacher, he is walking up and down here and there and with his terrible iron ruler, and and after then he enters all these things, he enters the classroom. Before everybody, whenever we use before word, everybody, person, anything that is live proof, there the meaning of before means in Hindi सामने, यानी इट मीन्स दरवाजा ओपन करते हुए वो सभी लोगों के सामने से होकर, यानी बिफोर ऑल द पर्सन he goes to his place. And after then what happened, let us see in the next line. I am here. You can imagine how I blushed and how frightened I was. It means the boy is saying something. Friend is asking us, anyone can imagine which type of condition he had during that time when he was thinking, how he was frightening to think. Whenever we think about any hard situation or condition during that time, the gesture of our body automatically has been deemed changed. He is appealing, he is requesting us. Anyone can imagine how I was blessed. It means read with sorrowness or any other thing. And after then, let us see next paragraph. This one is the I am here, but nothing happened. Young Hamel saw me and said very kindly, go to your place quickly, little friend. We were beginning without you. But what he was thinking, Mr. Friend, it means the student friend was thinking everything that which is in the classroom that is against his heart. And when he enters, he finds nothing happened what he earlier thought about the classroom. At the place of all these things, he finds his teacher, Mr. Hamel, orders him, you can go to sit on your place, no need to make a hurry. And he also says to him, without you, class has been started. And after then what happened, let's see in the next paragraph. I am teaching you all here. You can easily see I make these lines in blue color with my cursor. It means I am teaching here. This one is the place where I am teaching you all. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Not till then, when I had got a little over my fright, did I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat, his frilled. And when teacher orders him, he goes to his place immediately, and going there he sits, and he does not do anything, sitting there. When I had got a little over my fright. It means, right, boy first of all goes to his place, and going to his place he sits on his place, on his chair, and after then when he finds a little confidence over his fright, he looks towards teacher. He looks at teachers, and he finds his teacher on that day wears a green coat, a new coat, and frilled shirt. Frilled, it means line on over the shirt. This one is the frill, lined over the shirt. Let us see the next paragraph. Here I am teaching you all. You can easily wear. This one is the I am teaching here. Short, frill short means line wise short, na? And a little black silk cap, all embroidered. Embroidery. You all know there is a word embroidery. Many people go to Mumbai or any other place that is known as the Manchester of India. Embroidery means anyone who makes a beautiful picture over the cloth. This one is the embroidered. He looks when he gets a little confidence over his fright sitting there. He looks at the teacher, and he finds his teacher is has worn a beautiful cloth frilled shirt, a black silk cap, and all embroidered. It means many pictures over the cloth. After then, what happens? Let us see. I am teaching here that he never or except on inspection and prize days. Sorry. Besides, the whole school seemed so strange and solemn. Solemn means Gambhir. But the thing that surprised me most was to see after that the boy is thinking such type of new cloth, gorgeous cloth. His teacher wearing this cloth, his teacher always often comes to his school on the inspection on the prize days. Yeah, you can say special days, occasion, when there was any occasion in the school, then he came to the school. But here, without any purpose, without any special inspection, why he came wearing such type of cloth, and so strange and solemn. And in this way, he is looking at thinking each and everything is very strange and solemn for him. And after then, what happened? Let us see. I am teaching here. You can easily see through with the help of my cursor. But the thing that surprised me most was to see on the back benches that were always empty the village people sitting quietly like ourselves. Old Hauser with his three-cornered hat, the farmer mayor, the farmer postmaster, and several others besides. Till now, each and everything is bearable, and he is thinking maybe. But after then, when he looks backside, he finds a chair, a bench that would always be empty. Now it is packed. Now it is full with the people of the villagers of that village. And he finds one of them, old Hauser, and the old Hauser has a three-corner type of hat over his head, and he also finds farmer mayor and after postmaster, and in this way many other persons they are sitting in the classroom at the back side. So he is looking all this thing, and after then what happened? Let us see in the next line. I am teaching here. I type you all clear. Several others beside me. I am here. Everybody look beside. In this way, you all find three characters. Hauser here, watcher above, and postmaster and other one. You can say Hauser and watcher. There are two characters you easily will find here. One is blacksmith, second one is old villager. And after then everybody looked sad. Hauser had brought an old primer. Primer, you can say, slate like a copy. In this way, anything like over that thing you can write something that is known as a primer. Found at the edge, and he held it open on his knees with his great spectacles lying across the pages. Old Hauser is an old person. He is using spectacles. He has spectacles. So he is holding the timer in his hands, and over his eyes he is wearing big spectacles. And after then what happens, you can say this one is the picture. This one is the picture of old Hauser. Here is a old Hauser. He is holding a timer, and after then he is looking at the timer, and he has spectacles. Yeah, he is wearing a spectacles. In this way, it's over. I am going on the next line. Why? Here. While I was wondering about it all, Mr. Hamel mountain. In this way, you can make word. Which word? First noun, after then verb, then adjective. Mountainery, mountain, mountainous. This one is the one word. And after you, if you know the meaning, if you know the part of speech, you can easily use this word in many forms, in many sentences. Here, the writer also used it. While I was wondering about it all, Mr. Hamel mounted his chair, and in the same grave and gentle tone which he had used to me, said, "My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you." And he is wondering, he is surprising. And boy is surprising at all the process. And after what happened, boy find that his teacher, Mr. Hamel, sitting is mounting his chair, and after he finds Mr. Hamel is very serious, he is very serious on that day, and which he had used to me and said. And after my boy is saying, in this situation, in which situation Mr. Hamel is sitting in the classroom on that day. In this situation, boy is saying he always was sitting for him, and sitting in this situation, Mr. Hamel is asking friends, my children, not asking only on that day for friends, but on that day he is sitting in this situation, and he is addressing all the students of the classroom, and he is saying, my children, I am teaching here, you can easily see, my children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. The new master comes tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. I want you to be very attentive. When the boy is saying, in this situation, the teacher was sitting especially for the boy. It means friend. But on this day, the boy is saying he is sitting for all of us, and he is addressing all of us and says to us, this one is the my last lesson in this school, and after this I will never come to school. This is over for me. It means I will leave Alsace and Lorraine, because teacher is saying that he has received an information that is issued from German government, and German government has said, since no classes especially for French language will be held in the school. So I request, this one is my last class, I want to see all the students of this class very attentive. This one is my humble request. Who is requesting here? Who is requesting here? Here Mr. Hamel is requesting. Whom? Mr. Hamel is requesting his own pupil. What happened? As soon as Mr. Hamel says such type of words, what happens to friends? Let us see What a thunderclap these words were to me. Oh, the wretched! That was, that was what they had put up at the town hall. As soon as French addressed a sage to such type of words for French, there is a thunder tap. There is a great trick bijli. For French, it's a great, you can say, dose for French, and he is thinking about the boost German soldier, German government, wretched, you can say wretched, leaf also the meaning of this thing, and he is saying such type of orders they are shipping over the town hall. It means over such places Alsace and Lorraine. And after then what happened? The writer is saying, I am here. You can easily see. I am making such type of thing because it makes you easy to find where I am pitching. I hope you are easily way understanding. Let me each further line, interpret the further line. My last French lesson, why I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn any more. I must stop there. Then, oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lessons. For seeking words, eggs are going sliding on the side. In this paragraph, when teacher says to French, this one is the last class for him and French too. French is French is remembering or recalling this one is his last lesson, and he is observing himself what is his condition is French language, and he is talking, he is asking himself, hardly scarcely he learns how to write French language. He is not perfect, he has not been an expert person in this special language. He is only thinking how to write. He knows only now how to write. This one is thing. But it has been over for him how he will learn. It means he will never learn French language. Being French person, he does not know what is the French language. It one of the great curse for him. He is thinking. Who is thinking? French is thinking what happens now for him. Let us see. And after then he is saying now he has to stop unwillingly. If he is very eager to know, he is very eager to learn how to write and speak French language. But now unwillingly he has to stop himself. And after then he is analyzing, he is observing what he did in the earlier or previous classes, why he was not very serious, where he was, sorry, here it is not meaning, but here it is meaning. Now he is thinking for upcoming chapters. He thought that he would learn how to find, how to capture birds, how to hatching eggs, and how to going sliding on the sar. Sar is a place, you can say, sliding part of that place. So he is thinking how he will learn how to do all these things. If this language has been stopped, how he will learn, because foreign language he does not know. And if he does not know foreign language properly, if any foreigner comes there to teach him, he teaches all these things in his own language, how he will learn. So he is thinking all these things. So he is saying, expressing sorry for himself. What happens to him? Let us see. My books that had seemed such a nuisance means troubling a while ago, so heavy to carry. My grammar and my history of the science were old friends now that I couldn't give up. Man. Earlier, a few minutes ago, he was thinking. Now his teacher, Mr. Hamel, is asking about the participles. So he was thinking during that time everything was a troublesome for him. Even his book was very heavy, grammar and history and each and everything was very heavy, because whenever his teacher asked him anything, he does not know, he can't reply. He can't reply what his teacher asking him. So everything has been very heavy for him. He is thinking, who is thinking? Mr. is thinking, not Mr. but French. French is student, but here you can use French if you are giving respect to the students also. Here and were old friends now that I couldn't give up. And he is thinking also about his old friend whom he does not want to give up, whom he does not want to lose. It means if such type of language has been stopped, no teaching more of this language, he has to lose his own friends with all this thing. And after then what happened, let us see in the next paragraph. No? I taught you all here. Okay. My books that had seemed new science one a while ago, no? After we are old friends now, that I could not give up. And Mr. Hamel too. Mr. Hamel, he does not want to lose Mr. Hamel. He is also teacher. He is a very strict teacher for him, but he likes him. He loves him, and he wants to learn something from him. But everything has been stopped. So he's thinking this one and that. And after that, what happened? The idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. Some this one is the very, you can say, marmic statement here. You can say very pathematic statement here. Anyone who is very bad, you does not like it. You understand he is your greatest enemy, but suddenly he died. Suddenly he has gone to anywhere else. During while he died while he has gone to anywhere else. For that time, you thinks he was good type of person. He automatically you sympathize yourself to him. Here writer is also, boy is also saying, boy knows, friends knows his teacher Mr. Hamel. He is very strict. He is very cranky. You can say चिड़चिड़ापन, man becomes very angry. छड़े रुस्तम छड़े रुस्तम छड़े छड़े. Such type of statement, such type of quality he has. But even all this thing he likes. He has a great respect to him, and he is thinking that now he is going to leave him. How he will learn each and everything. He forgets about the negative of his own teacher, and now he is only thinking about the positivity, about the quality of Mr. Hamel. So he's thinking such type of thing. After then what happened? Let us see in the next line. Poor man, it was in honor of this last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes, and now I understood. Poor, the meaning of poor, many types of meaning. Poor doesn't matter, he is very poor, he has no money, property, no. But here poor man, whenever you have no option. When Gandhi, मजबूरी का दूसरा नाम गांधी जी. This one you can say poor. Poor you can say this one is poor. It means मजबूरी का दूसरा नाम. Such type of statement you can use. Poor man. When he is again remembering, asking himself, now his teacher has worn such type of gorgeous cloth due to being last lesson, due to the last time in this school. So he had come here to wear such type of clothes in honor. Such type of, you can say this one is the honor it is honor for himself. Now I understood. In this way, French easily we understand. Let us see in the next line. I understood why the old men of the village were sitting there in the here I am preaching. You can easily understand. I hope you are understanding where I am preaching, and I hope you are finding also why the old men of the village were sitting there in the back of the room. It was because they were sorry to that they had not gone to school more. In this paragraph, the writer is saying the boy understands easily why all the villagers present here, and they are so nervous, they are so unhappy. The reason they are also observing themselves. They are also akalan themselves. What they did in the earlier या previous classes, they also did not attend the class seriously, honestly, and in this way, each and everyone presents who in the classroom they are very happy and sorry also. It was their way of thanking our masters for his 40 years of faithful service and of showing their respect for the country that was theirs no more. And each and everyone presents their party day. You all know when this one is the farewell party, everyone presents in the classroom, even in the school also there is a farewell party. The person, the students, whom teacher, I think never whom teacher never sees in the classroom, they also he or she also presents in the farewell party. Here the French is saying, and each and everyone presents there. This benign presence means Gauravamai Upasati. These benign presence of all this person is a great respect to the teacher who had given for 40 years his service to their country, to their towns, to their places. So they are showing themselves. They are showing themselves as a great respect to the teacher. And in this way, it's over. Let us see next paragraph. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. It was my turn to recite. In this way, the student, my boy, is sitting in the classroom and he is thinking about all these things. By physically you can say boy is sitting in the classroom, but mentally you can say he is out of the classroom because he is thinking such type of statement, such type of thoughts, such type of vichar that come in his mind. And during all these things, he finds his teacher asks him, and his teacher asks him, and what his teacher asks him, please stand up and read and recite chanting. You can say recite and chanting, yeah, you can say read these lines, this paragraph. Who said to French? Who said? Mr. Amal. His teacher said to French, stands up and read this paragraph. And after that, what happened? I am teaching it. What would I not have given to be able to say that did full rule for the participle? All true, very loud and clear and without one mistake, but I got mixed up on the first words and stood there holding on to my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look up. And when teacher asks him, stands up and read these rules of participles. Prince did not prepare the rules and regulation of participle. Even then he stands up and he has no power. He has no, you can say no confidence to deny, sir, I don't know. I am unable to answer what you ask. Even then he stands up and collects his confidence and with the and collects his confidence and starts chanting, reading the paragraph. And let us see what happens to him. It is seen whenever you collect your confidence. If you are going to do anything, if you are very confident, you collect your confidence, you can do that thing. I know this one practically thing. Here, when he collects all his confidence, he starts reading loudly and with a great clarity. He reads that paragraph, that lines, and he did not even one mistake while reading that thing of which he does not know, of thing he did not know even he did not know perfectly. But due to his confidence, due to trust himself, due to believe himself, he can do. Let us see here. After then what happened? But I got mixed up on the first words and stood there holding on to my desk. In this way, when mixing words, when with the help of say, you suppose that you can remember when you were reading studying in first year UKG, LKG classes, you mix up words. If I write Kamal, you need to read the first you Kamal this way. This one is also French is doing here. He is also mixing words, and when he mix words, he reads. In this way, he starts doing things, and he read at the last. And while he was reciting the paragraph, his heart beating has been pumping very fast, and during that time he has no confidence to look at anywhere else, because he does not know he can read or not, he could read or not, so he does not like to look at anywhere else while he was reciting, while he is reading. In this way, this paragraph is over. I am here. This one is my cursor. You can easily look on your monitor whether you are watching this thing on in laptop or mobile. You see it, na? This one is you can say blue color, light blue color, not this one is dark blue color. I think color is designed this one. Okay. I heard Mr. Hammer say to me, I won't scold you, little Franz. You must feel bad enough. I heard Mr. Hammer say to me. So see how it is. Every day we have said to ourselves, bah, I have plenty of time. And now Mr. Hammer is saying to Franz. But Franz already decides while reading anything he will not look at anywhere else. So Franz is listening. Someone, when Mr. Hamel is saying to him something, and he listens that Mr. Hamel is saying he will not scold. He will not scold on that day. And little friend, he is saying such type of thing. And also he is remembering, he is recalling Mr. Franz that you always thought that you would have a proper time. Some on next day you would learn anything, and thinking such type of thing, you always bunked the class, and you always disturbed yourself. You always try to make a plan to save yourself from learning the chapter. But I have plenty of time. Such type of words you always is saying. I'll learn it tomorrow, and now you see where we have come out. Again, Mr. Hamel is saying very pathetic word. You can say very pathetically he is saying such type of words. Now you can see where we have come. Now we can see where we have come. It means we have no time, and if we respect our earlier time, this miserable condition has been less. This one is not a big giant for me. It has been automatically very less, but we never did such type of thing. So it has been more pathetic. It has been, you can say, very miserable due to us thinking this we have proper time. काल करे सोवाज. This one is a statement ना, पल में परलय हो जाएगी बहुरी करोगे. This one is a statement, couplet of Kabir. You also know about the whole couplet. So I leave it here. I want to teach you something good. In this way I cover this paragraph. Let us go on the next paragraph. I taught you all till here. We have come out. We come out means bahar aana. You can say come out. This one is a condition which has for us, which has been for us. That's the great trouble with Alsace. Alsace, capital name, you already told you there are two places. One is Alsace, second one Lorraine. So one of them, Alsace. She puts up, whenever we address any place, any country, we need to make that country with C, with pronouns, you can say pronoun person C. This one is she puts off learning till tomorrow. She puts off learning till tomorrow. Now those fellows out there will have the right to say to you, how is it you pretended to be Frenchman, and Yet you can neither speak nor write your own language. The writer is saying that this one is the great trouble, this one is the great miserable like मतलब condition. This one is the very worst condition for this place, and because she puts off learning till tomorrow. Always the people, villagers, students of this place think they will learn this thing and tomorrow they will learn this thing tomorrow, tomorrow, and tomorrow. So everything has been very critical for this for these people for these places. And after then, whenever in the next time, whenever in the future anyone asks you how is it? How it is? How happens? Being Frenchman, you all do not know how to write, how to speak in French language. So what? Which type of pretend you will be? Pretend means bahana. How can you pretend? How can you save yourself? No pretending. But you are not the worst poor little French. We have all a great deal to reproach ourselves with. Here, addressing the boy teacher is saying to for all of them. Meaning such condition, for this miserable condition, each and everyone is responsible. The responsibility of this condition is not for only little friend, but each for only it's for all of them, right? It means Mr. Hamel is saying, why Mr. Hamel is saying that each and everyone is responsible not to learn, not to teach. Even teacher is also responsible, take the responsibility of this thing, and teacher also thinks himself about that thing. At least he anywhere else on list में कहीं ना कहीं he was also very irregular, irresponsible person. He did not teach you all regularly. This way, each and everyone in this way each and everyone now needs himself scolding, reproach मतलब called करना, child करना, scold करना, मतलब डांटना फटकारना. This way I complete here. In this paragraph we find the writer Mr. Hamel is saying, we do not need to shift anything for tomorrow. If we want to do, if we have any work we need to do on that, we need to do that work on that day. We need not to shift that work on tomorrow, that work on tomorrow, that work tomorrow. It will be very bad. He is, and at the last he is addressing each and everyone, even himself also he is saying, because he is also list he also did such type of thing. So condition has been miserable for everyone is here. And after that I am on the next paragraph. This one is here. Your parents are not anxious enough to have you learn. They preferred to put you to work on a farm at meals so as to have a little more money. And I have been to blame also. In this paragraph, in the starting lines, in these starting lines, Mr. Hamel is saying, little friend, it is not for you, it is not you who is responsible totally for all this condition, but for this condition your parents also have participated in this you can say in condition they have also participated. Because how can you say they have participated to make us in this coming in this condition, to make us come in this condition? The reason behind sending all the students are sending the children to the school, they sent you all to the factory so that the children can earn money from the factory. So they are also responsible for this thing. And after then Mr. Hammer is also saying not only for parents, but he is saying himself that he is also responsible for this thing. How he is responsible for all this thing? Let us see. I have been to blame also. I am here. You can easily see. I have been to blame also. However, I not often sent you to water my flowers instead of learning your lessons, and when I wanted to go fishing, did I not just give? In these lines, Mr. Hamel is recalling he is also responsible for all these things. Even teaching here for last 40 years. Even then, students can't able to learn how to write and how to speak French language. And because he was also irregular, how he was regular, he is saying, instead of teaching the students, he always used he used always yeah, he always used say to use the students used to say students go to garden, go to water the flowers, go to anywhere else, get it done this way and that way. I mean, he always sent the students to do some work, some extra works, and instead of teaching in this way. And he also saying that even when I wanted to, when he was going to fish, when he was going to fish, going to as the fish, on that day he declared holiday. So each and every student was absent, no one presented in the classroom. So in these so in this way you can say he is also responsible for all these things, and he also takes honestly his own responsible. Being a teacher, he did not do such type. He did not. He, you can say, did not. He did not do such type of thing. And after the latest next line, when I wanted to go fishing, I did not just give you a holiday. I told you already. Then, from one thing to another, Mr. Hamel went on to talk of the French language, saying that it was the most beautiful. After that, in this way, from each and everything, covering from passing each and everything, Mr. Hamel starts saying something about the French language, and he is saying it is very beautiful language, it is very logical language, it is a language by which French people can express himself comfortably, such type of thing. Now you can say he is appreciating the language. And after that, let us see in the next line what happens. I am here. Language in the world, he is saying this one is the best worldwide language, विश्वव्यापी भाषा, the clearest, the most logical, that we must guard it among us and never forget it. Because when people are enslaved, he is saying that we need, being a French person, we need to respect this language, we need to respect own language, his own language, and we must guard it among us. And he is saying that we need to make this language alive among us. If government has stopped, has banned this language not to teach in the classroom, but even then we need to make it alive among us. We need to talk each other in this local language, dialect language, you can say the French language, mother and native language, and we never forget it. We never need to forget it, na? Because if we forget our own mother language, it means he's saying further, when people are enslaved, as long as they had fast to their language, it is a, if they had the key to their prison. It means the writer is saying the language is the like a key. Language is the like a key. Key means lock and key. But suppose that anyone is slapped, anyone is colonized by another government, by another country. But even then, the colonized countries people, colonized people makes his local language alive. Sooner or later, they can open that pigeon. They can open that pigeon. The pigeon of the foreign language, the pigeon of the foreign government. They can open by the key of his own language. He is saying language is like key, and when you have key, you can any type of locker. You can open any type of locker. Suppose that a locker is very strong, nobody can break that locker. But if you have a key, so with that key you can easily open that thing. In this way you are looking in the society. If anyone, he is very talkative, he is very madhur bhasi, he can motivate anyone, he can motivate anyone, he can, you can say, ask anything anyone, and anyone is ready to help him. So here he is saying this one is the like key, and he can open. So we need not to make it die, this language among us. We need to make it alive throughout the life. And after then what he's saying, then he opened a grammar and read us our lesson. I was amazed to see how well I understood it. The writer is saying, when Mr. Friend is saying on that day, that is the last day, and when the last day teacher is going to teach something extra, something that is related to grammar. On that day, what happened to him? What happens to him? It is a great amazed to him. He easily may understand what his teacher taught him without any problem, without any, you can say, problem, without any problem. He can easily be understood what his teacher taught him. This what's reason? This one is the reason. On that day, he he attain, sorry, attentively he attend the class. Attentively he attends the class. So he understand each and everything what his teacher taught, taught. And after that, what happened? Where I am teaching you all here. You can easily see with the help of my cursor. This one is the line. It has been it has been in light blue. All he said seemed so easy. I think too that I had never listened so carefully, and that he had never explained everything with so much patience. It seemed almost as if the poor man wanted to give us all he knew before going away and to put it all into our heads at one stone. And one stone. He is saying here French is saying that while his teacher is saying that each and everything very easy, so easy, you can easily understand, and he is keeping teaching, he is keeping on teaching us, na? And he is keeping in this way he is teaching each and everything and saying so easy, so easy, and in this way we very attentively attend the class, and he attentively attends the class, listen his teacher, and each and with a great patience, with a great confidence. So he understands each and everything of that day. And after that day, Tench is thinking that on that day Mr. Hamel is trying to give all his knowledge to his pupil to that lecture. I mean, Mr. Hamel is trying to do something by that process. He can provide all his own knowledge of which he has received working hard for last many years to provide us within one stroke, with the help of one stroke. And after then what happened? After the grammar, we had a lesson in writing. That day Mr. Hamel had new copies for us. I mean, in the above paragraph, first he taught us grammar, he teaches us grammar, and after that what happened? We had a lesson in writing. That day Mr. Hamel had new copies for us written in beautiful round hand. France, I'll say in this way. Writer is saying, and French is saying that after completing the grammar, uh, Mr. Hamel orders us to write something, and he has provided something that is handwritten thing, and on that later he finds Mr. Hamel written something on that paper. What he wrote on that paper? He wrote on that paper, France, Else. They looked like little flags floating everywhere in the schoolroom, hung from the rod at the top of our desk. You ought to have seen how everyone set to work and how quiet it was. And Mr. Hamel provides us handwritten few papers. Each and everyone has a paper. Over that paper, this one is these two words were written. France also, and all these papers. When each and everyone has taken this paper from Mr. Hamel, it is seen in the classroom like a flags that is like a flags that is floating in the classroom everywhere. Wherever you can look in the classroom, you can easily find there is a flag. There is a flag that is floating here and there. And Mr. French is also saying that there is a flag also over his desk, our desk here, top of our desk. He is saying, you ought to have seen how everyone sat at work. The writer is saying, let us see in the next. You ought to have seen how everyone set to work and how quiet it was. The only sound was the scratching of the pens over the paper. Here, Mr. Fan, the boy Fan is surprised, astonished. Even each and everyone is doing a job. Each and everyone doing the work in the classroom. Even then, instead of all these things in the classroom, there is a pinpoint silence. And Friend is saying that he listens only the sound of scratching the pens over the paper that is done by Mr. Hamel. Once some beetles flew in, but nobody paid any attention to them. Not even the littlest. There is no superlative degree of littlest. Little is past. This one is a word. First of all, I want to tell you what is the meaning of the word. Little is a positive degree, and after the less is the comparative degree, and this one, and the last one, least is the superlative degree. नवीनतम इसको बोलते हैं in Hindi. Littlest, but here I can use, so you can find this one. It may be old word, but in the modern time it is not used. And after that, what happened? French is saying beetles flew. Beetles, you can say, is small insect that is flying in the room, and but nobody pays attention to the beetle that is flying in the classroom. And after then, what happened? Not even the littlest ones who were right to on pressing their fish hooks, as if that was French, na? That was French. Too on the roof, the pigeons could every low. And I thought to myself, will they make them sing in German? Even the pigeons. The writer is saying there is a very small one. French is saying there is a small boy in the classroom. Even that boy is also does not pay attention here and there. On you can say over the on the beetles. And after the writer is saying, French is looking also that there is pigeons माने कबूतर में घुटरगू. This one is the cood माने कबूतर घुटरगू कहते हैं. तो in this way the माने boy French is saying in the classroom there are two pigeons. They are cooing very slow motion, and but nobody is looking to that thing. I thought to myself, and when French looks at pigeons, he is thinking it may be the German government, Germany government can teach pigeons how to cook in German language. They can stop pigeon don't cook in French language. It means the German government wants to teach pigeons cook in you can say in German language. And after that, what happened? Whenever I am here, whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw M. Hamel. Okay. Whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw Mr. Hamel sitting motionless in his chair, gazing first at one thing, then at another, as if he wanted to fix in his mind just how everything looked in that little schoolroom. Fancy, for 40 years he had been there in same place with his garden outside the window and his class in the front of it. When a writer, French is doing, you can say French is writing something. While French is writing something, he looks also at his teacher, and he finds his teacher is looking here and there, looking at the place when in the classroom, and he is gazing first at the one thing when he looks each and everything. And French is thinking that his teacher is thinking about all this thing because he has been teaching here for last 50 years and he attached himself with all these things. And now I think he is thinking about when he will leave all these things, which type of pain he will feel. So he is thinking. Who is thinking? Mr. Hamel is thinking. Fancy man, Nancy is fancy. You can say fancy man, imagination. He is thinking. Who is thinking? Mr. French is thinking. About whom he is thinking? About whom and Mr. Hamel is thinking. And after that, what happened? 40 years he had been there in the same place with his garden outside the window and his class in front of him. Each and everything. In which garden he has been standing for many last years, and of which thing he is looking for last many years. Each and everything will far away from him. So he is thinking anyone who is living such type of party day, farewell day is a very painful day for each and everyone, whether you are good or bad. But you are human. But you need to be human because human is an emotional body, an emotional, you can say, animal, an emotional man. This one is the natural thing. Nobody can change this one thing. After that, let us see on the next paragraph. Today I want to complete it. It is not too much, but this one is the last. I think within 10 or 10 minutes I will complete it. But let us start here just like that. When he is looking each and everything, and French is thinking it is must. His teacher is thinking about all these things. Only the the desks and benches had been worn smooth. You can say anything that used many times. It has been माने किया जाना. You can say in Hindi word किया जाना. माने worn smooth माने you can say used and it has been less. This one is there. And he is thinking, French is thinking that Mr. Hamel is looking walnut trees in the garden were taller, and the foot vine that he had planted himself pained about the windows to the roof. How it must have broken his heart to leave it all. Poor man, to hear his sister moving about in the room above, packing their trunks, for they must leave the country next day. He is looking each and everything. Mr. Hammer is looking at tree there that he planted in last many last years ago. Many years ago. Now it had been very big tree, and he is looking all these things during that time. And is listening the sound of sister and his sister. I mean, you all know in the ancient times, even the foreign school, junior classes, madam is teaching. He is known as a sister. As Kerala's sister, you can say nurses is known present time in the system as addressing a sister. If you are nurse, many people are saying sister. This way you can say sister here is a helper. You can say servant. Whosoever she is mapping. Sorry, she is you can say acting the thing for Mr. Hamel, who is going to leave the school campus tomorrow. Next day the country next day you can say I am here, but he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very sorry but he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. After the writing he had a lesson in history, and then the baby chanted there, ba baby bo boo, down there at the back of the room. Old Hauser had put on his spectacles and holding his primer in both hands. In this way, we find that in the classroom, little child, adult people, old people, each and everyone presents there, and besides that, he will today attend each and every class attentively, confidently. He will not miss even 1 minute of the class. And after writing, when grammar section or writing section is over, now this one is the section of history. And during history time, a little child start chanting, reciting, you can say crying, weeping, ba baby, this way. And after then what happened? He finds an old man, that is old man villager Hauser. He what had at the back of the room, old Hauser had put on his spectacles and holding his primer in both hands. He is describing about the Hauser, what is the condition of the Hauser while he is holding putting the books in his hands. Which type of thing he is doing? He spelled the letters with them. Her hands spelled the letters with them. You could see that he too was crying. His voice trembled with emotion, and it was so funny to hear him that we all wanted to laugh and cry. And how well I remember it, that last lesson. Everything you can say, if he is describing about the condition of the old man, his condition is also very pitiable, you can pitiful and miserable. He is also disturbed because Mr. Hamel is going to leave the school, the country very soon. He also trying to cry, weep, but being very old person, he does not do. He controls over himself. Let us see in the next line what happened. I am here. All at once the church clock struck 12, and the Angelus at the same moment the trumpets Dumri of the Prussians returning from drill sounded under our windows. During all this thing, he finds church, the church clock tells us this is the time of 12 time it struck 12, and after then the Angelus, and in this time the it is saying he listens the sound of trumpets, and he is listening the Persian people whom he met while he was coming to attend the classroom in the garden, they are also returning, completing from drilling, completing his work. Sounded under our windows. Sounded under our window, through the window he is looking. They are coming also. They are returning also. Person soldiers also. Mr. Hamel stood up very pale in his chair. I never saw him look so tall. This one is the first time when he is looking attentively that his height is too much. When he stands up, leaving his chair, he finds his height is great, and after then his condition is very miserable, painful. After this one, my friend said he is very pale. You can say, my friend said but something choked him. He could not go on. When he stands, he is going to say something. Who is going to say something? Mr. Haimal is going to say something. But when you are very emotional, if you want to say something, you can't say. Even you can't express your opinion through your sound. You can hear such type of feeling also Mr. Haimal is feeling, and his emotion chokes him, so he can't speak even one word. Then he turned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk, and bearing on with all his might, he wrote as large as he could. He takes up a little chalk, and he stands and he goes to blackboard, and he is about to write something over the blackboard. What he wrote in French, he wrote "Viva le vive la France, vive la France." It means long live France, long live France. Such type of words he wrote in a big letter. Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall, and without a word, he made a gesture to us with his hand. And after then, he stops himself, and with the help of the wall, put a, he puts his head against the wall, yeah, over the wall, and without saying a word, he made a gesture towards with his hand. School is dismissed. He said school is dismissed. Okay, I am saying where it is. School is dismissed. You may go. In this way, saying such type of thing, he says, "Today my class is over." In this way, in this essay, we find a teacher has a very pitiable condition, because he is going to leave the school. Whenever a teacher attached himself to any institute, when such type time has come, it feels uncountable pain. Here we find also. In this way, this essay is over. If anyone has problem by my sounds or any other thing, he or she can suggest me. He or she is most welcome. I have no problem. By in which means you want, you can send me message. But through my projector or internet, I teach this way. But I will try to improve it better and better. Give me time. I will my best to provide you all best lecture. Okay. Thanks you all for listening me, for giving me time.